Welcome back. Okay, let's say you spend, I don't know, part of your week just manually juggling tasks between different tools. Cleaning up your inbox, syncing contacts, maybe drafting outreach emails.
Yeah, that kind of busy work. If that sounds familiar, then this is definitely for you.
Exactly. So today we're looking at a specific tool we found over on AIagentstore.ai. It's called Assista AI.
That's the one. It's listed there under workflow automation agents, but this is more than just a simple automation tool.
Right, it seems more complex. So our goal here is to figure out how this thing uses multiple AI agents together to handle, well, pretty complicated professional workflows.
Let's get into it.
Okay, so their main pitch, their promise, is this multi-agent system that can run entire workflows just from you describing them in, like, plain English.
Yeah, and it handles the process from start to finish across all the different software you already use.
Across the stack.
Exactly. What's really interesting, I think, is how it manages that. It's not just one big AI trying to do everything. It uses like a team of specialized agents, bots designed specifically for things like research or drafting emails, enriching data, scheduling tasks, and then actually sending stuff out.
So it coordinates them.
Precisely. It orchestrates these different agents and connects, different tools like your email and your CRM to complete one bigger task.
That sounds powerful. But, like, who is this really for? The info we saw mentioned founders, sales development reps, marketing ops, operations managers, even assistants. That's a pretty wide net.
It is broad, yeah. And you might wonder if it's spread too thin.
Right.
But that's where the technical side comes in. The key stat for Assista AI is its autonomy rating. It's 68%.
68%. That sounds quite high for automation.
It is high, and the reason it's rated that high is because the system can actually reason, plan, and then execute these quite complex multi-step workflows without needing someone to hold its hand the whole time.
So it can handle bumps in the road.
Exactly. It can deal with unexpected issues, make decisions at certain points. That's why it can genuinely help roles that involve judgment, like sales or operations, not just basic repetitive tasks.
Okay, let's make that concrete. Give us an example.
Sure. Think about, say, lead generation. It wouldn't just find a company name.
Right.
It could research the lead, draft a personalized outreach email based on that research, and then schedule it to send automatically, end to end.
Okay, I see. Or maybe cleaning up a messy inbox.
Yeah, perfect example. It could sift through, summarize the really important emails, figure out who needs to meet, check calendars, and then schedule a meeting all in one go.
That does sound useful. But with 68% autonomy, how much control do you actually keep? Are you just letting it run wild?
That's a critical point, and the sources address it. Control is definitely maintained. A really positive aspect highlighted is that even with high autonomy, you set the schedule for these automations.
Okay.
And crucially, you can build in human-in-the-loop steps.
Okay. Like an approval gate.
Exactly. So the AI could research and draft that sales email, but it waits for the actual sales rep to look it over and hit approve before the send agent takes over.
Got it. So you get the automation power, but keep the final say where it matters. That makes sense.
Flexibility and control.
And just practically, how is it delivered? It's a web app, right?
Yeah, delivered as a web app.
Right.
And the pricing is freemium, so there's a free tier to get started, and then paid plans that scale up.
Okay.
So pulling it all together, Assista AI seems designed to really tackle that draining busy work, the stuff that requires jumping between tools, and it does it without needing you to write any code.
Right, turning those manual solo tasks into something the whole team can maybe use.
Exactly, scaling those workflows.
Okay, so here's something to think about then.
Yeah.
Given that 68% autonomy, but with those human approval steps, what's the one single most annoying, repetitive task that jumps between apps that you'd hand over to Assista AI first?
Good question. Something for you all to ponder. Thanks so much for tuning in today, and we always appreciate you rating the discussion. And remember, you can dig into the details yourself. All the source info is over at AIagentstore.ai.